This is a polymer capstone lab, and it's designed for our graduating seniors. We have capstone labs as a last sort of touching point before the students graduate and go on to grad school or jobs. We focus on polymer chemistry, and it's designed so that students get real-life experience. What we're doing now is the second half of the class is actually individual projects. So we have two groups of students, and each one of those groups chose an original research article to replicate. Polymers are everywhere, so essentially every surface that you're touching is a polymer. The lab coat that I'm wearing is a polymer, my shirt's a polymer, the coating on the floor is a polymer, the coatings on cabinets are polymers. And mostly it's just a molecule that's really, really big, and that size is what gives it different properties.
So that's the wrong CTA.
My group focuses on new polymers, so we try and make polymers that have never been made before. And we design these polymers based off chemistry and biology. So we look at the chemistry of some biological molecule, whether it's like a protein implicated in Parkinson's disease or a protein that likes to aggregate together. We look at the chemistry of those interactions, and then we design synthetic polymers that mimic that chemistry with the idea of trying to make a polymer that can recognize some sort of protein that's maybe implicated in a disease. So we can have a synthetic method to interact with biology or with diseases or with proteins. Everyone remembers chemistry in high school. I hated chemistry in high school, but what got me was when I started taking organic chemistry and just thinking about sort of the way that you can approach molecules from sort of a design architecture standpoint. And now what drives me is I love talking about science, and I love coming up with creative ways to address a really challenging problem, like trying to understand Parkinson's disease or trying to solve plastics recycling.